All right, so here we go. Heat race number one going to be rolling trackside with the Wisconsin Sport Trucks. It will go 8 laps this evening. Mark Sikolik on the outside of number 1. Marty Sikolik, 51, alongside Dylan Denberg in the 15. Jeff Ludwig, 55. Craig Krieger, 41. J.J. Vanderloop, 72. And Casey Vanderloop in the 2. As well as Beth Craig in the 79, riding on the field. Mark Sikolik around the outside of Predator Allman here to lead into turn 3 on lap number 1. Now will he hang on to it? Ooh, a bit of a bobble that time. Charging ahead is Dylan Vandenberg of the 15. Right down to the inside to take the lead away. Spin coming out of the turn. That'll be the 51 of Marty Sikolik. Whips it right back around and keeps on going. Your leader is Dylan Vandenberg in that 15. Mark Sikolik in second. Jeff Ludwig in the third. Ludwig taking a peek down to the inside. Can't do anything about it. Mark Sikolik still hanging on. Side by side to go down for second. Jeff Ludwig. Down to the bottom to take that spot away. Dylan Vandenberg with a good sit from the 15. Oh, we've got calamity over there, and it's 2 Vanderloops. Casey Vanderloop in the 2, the 72 of J.J. Vanderloop. Looks like maybe he's stuck in the grass there a little. Well, maybe not. Might be able to drive away. All right, so a little flag comes out. That'll slow us down here with 3 laps remaining in heat race number 1 for the Wisconsin Sport Trucks. We mentioned coming up here on Monday, ARCA Midwest Tour Memorial Day Triple 50. So 1 50-lap feature for the ARCA Midwest Tour, 1 for the Foxwood Racing Club regulars, and then the final 50, which is where all the big dollars are for the top finishers of both features. Interesting format coming up here. Also mentioned the Midwest Truck Series with American Stock Cars, 2 o'clock start time coming up on Monday. Next week, quarter mile, late miles, their first of 7 appearances of the season. It's Exterior Custom Solutions. I hope they had a chance to check out their tent on the way in here as well. All right, Dylan Vandenberg. Single file race starts here in the heat races. Back to grid. Vandenberg's been very strong, stretching it out now to 3, maybe 4, maybe 5 truck lengths. My eyes aren't what they used to be. Ludwig running in the second spot, trying to track down that 15. And man, we're getting a bit of a sibling rivalry at the back there between J.J. Vanderloop and Casey Vanderloop. Across the line, Dylan Vandenberg. That is the white flag, and now he's got some company as Chef Ludwig catches up right to the tailgate. One final swing for 3 and 4, but into the inside. Mannemer trying to shut the door. Ludwig is there. We might have a drag race down on the strap this time. Ludwig on the inside will take the winner. Well, patience paying off in a big row there for the drive of the 55, and a last lap, last turn pass will send Jeff Ludwig to victory lane here in the first heat race.